I'm Todd Hudgel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2019 Intrepid 375. There's a lot to talk about with this boat. It's really the used boat everybody's looking for. You know, it's a couple years old, low hours, one owner, captain maintained and operated. It's a great boat, but I tell you the thing that really makes it stand apart from all the boats I'm on, the storage is incredible. In addition to the huge storage under these seats, there's large compartments in the floor, another giant compartment in the bow here, insulated and gasketed compartments for food, drinks, whatever, and even storage in the console seat. In addition to all the storage in the bow, I just pointed out, I count 10 compartments in the floor. Not only is that great because of all the extra storage, it also gives you access to all the systems. So should something break, it's easier and cheaper to repair. I think the design mantra for this boat must have been no wasted space. There's even compartments in the transom that are big and deep enough for masks, snorkel, fins. Big fins will fit in those compartments. The things you need at the water level are easy to get to from the water. It's a brilliant design. Call MarineMax at Panama City Beach today. Schedule an appointment to see this beautiful boat.